Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color some beautiful makeup tools. Yay! What is makeup? Makeup is like magic colors for the face. People use it to look fancy and pretty. Oh look! An eyeshadow palette. They use eyeshadow to make their eyes look pretty. And a small brush for eye makeup. A lipstick for lips. A nail polish bottle. A big makeup brush for powder. Time to color. First, let's color the eyeshadow palette. It has many colors. Orange, yellow, pink, purple, red, blue, Now small brush is orange and blue. Now the big makeup brush, yellow and purple. Now the lipstick is red, yellow, green. Now the nail polish bottle, blue and pink. Let's add some glitter for eyeshadow palette. Orange, yellow, pink, blue, red, purple. Look at our beautiful makeup tools. Everything is so colorful and sparkly. Great job, little artists. See you next time.